Uh, Hello everyone, welcome to tutorpro.com, the TW online class. And today we'll be doing this magazine. This is high intermediate level, and we will be doing the article titled "Can You Be a Part-Time Vegetarian?" And the article is on page 22. So please turn to page 22, and I'm gonna explain to you a little bit about the title. Here, let's look at the title that says, "Can you be a part-time vegetarian?" If you open page number 22, you will see that at the top of your page. The question you may be thinking is, what does part-time mean? You may have come across this phrase many times before, but it might be related to job, part-time job. Like when we do part-time job, we do it maybe 3 hours a day or 4 hours a day, or maybe once a week or twice a week, as opposed to 5 days a week, which is considered full-time job. But and the meaning of vegetarian refers to people who eat vegetarian meal that does not include any meat. So how can you be part-time vegetarian? If somebody asks me, "Are you a vegetarian?" Yes, I'm vegetarian. But if somebody asks me, "Are you a part-time vegetarian?" I might get shocked. How can someone be a part-time vegetarian? And that's why this article is interesting, because by being part-time vegetarian, you are vegetarian for a while, like once or twice a week, but at the same time you also eat meat. That's part-time vegetarian, not full-time, maybe once a week or twice a week. But now let's go to the subtitle, which is "Get the Perks of a Vegetarian Diet with Meat." See, the interesting part is vegetarian diet with meat. But before we go there, let's talk about what does perks mean. Perk refers to the benefit you get from your company beside the salary, in addition to the salary. Salary that you get from your company does not belong to the definition of perk. So perk, for example, you get a free parking, that's a perk. Or you get free lunch in your office, that's a perk. Or you get a paid vacation, that's a perk. But here, perks of a vegetarian diet. You get the health benefit just like any vegetarian, but you also eat meat. That's the meaning, that you get the perks of vegetarian diet and you also eat meat. Now, let's move to the first paragraph, and I'm going to explain the first sentence here. Let me read the first sentence. Give your health a boost by eating meat just a little less often. Here, there is a word, a boost. Boost. Let me write it down. Boost. What does boost mean? It can be noun and also verb. Boost is more commonly used as verb. When you boost something, you make it bigger, better, or stronger. So when a diet boosts your health, the diet makes your health much better. So it says that give your health a boost. Give your health a boost. In here, boost is noun. How? By eating meat just a little less often. You can eat meat, but not as often as you now do. So your health will get the boost. Get a boost. So that boost is now. And boost my health So this boost is verb. Again, give your health a boost by eating meat. So that boost is now. Eating meat just a little less often. Just a little less often. And one more sentence. Known as a flexitarian diet. The next sentence goes like this. Known as a flexitarian diet. The word flexitarian is something that you may not find in your dictionary, but it's here. Flexitarian. It's a combination of two words. Flexible plus vegetarian. So you are flexitarian means you are a flexible vegetarian. That means you are sometimes vegetarian and sometimes not. And that also means part-time vegetarian. So part-time vegetarian can also be called flexitarian. Let me do it again. Known as a flexitarian diet, loaded with fruits. Loaded with means there are plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. So loaded with is a phrase here. Loaded with. If a diet is loaded with fruits and vegetables and whole grain, that means there are so many of them. There are plenty of them. So flexitarian gives you the best of both worlds. Known as flexitarian diet, loaded with fruits, with a lot of fruits and vegetables and whole grains. Flexitarianism. If I put ism here, ism means the idea of being a flexitarian, idea of being a part-time vegetarian. That's flexitarianism. So the flexitarianism gives you the best of both worlds. And which worlds they're referring to here? Both world means one is vegetarian world and the other one is meat-eating world. By the way, people who are not vegetarian, like me, is called a meat eater. There is no other better way to refer to a person who is not a vegetarian. That's all. If you want to know more about it, please register with us at tutorpro.com.tw. Thank you.